strength. Though I understand you felt alone, 'cause when you need a friend, there's no one strong to fall back on. And your past will still burden you, but I'll hold you through the pain. So in the end, it's not just you, with your memories and your scars. Fall on me if you ever forget how beautiful you are. I believe in your words and your eyes, and when you speak of your dreams, I read your lies, that I will envy whoever you give your heart to. So in the end, it's not just you, with your memories and your scars. Fall on me if you ever forget how beautiful you are. And I will never let you fade away. And I want you to know that I love you for all you are and all that you'll be. So in the end, it's not just you, oh, with your memories and your scars. Fall on me if you ever forget.
I'm videoing you. Nate's not gonna do anything stupid.
No.
He'll wait until.
Yeah, just keep playing. I'll forget in a minute.
How you doing, Robert?
All right, y'all missed the conversation about me being very horny. I'm done.
You know, your grandmother will probably see this.
I'm trying to get Elizabeth called up my crippled bed.
Are you telling us that we haven't heard this before? Are you telling us?
No, he's telling it for the record.
I'm telling it for the record.
Okay.
I'm telling them what they missed.
I thought you meant like you were telling us right now. Like maybe we were
God,
interviewing.
you're so retarded. You're very calm.
No McDonald's.
I will jump out the window. I don't care.
You don't have to walk to McDonald's.
I don't care. I'll stumble across the ring of parking lot.
They say it's a cold walk.
Send this to Reese.